So are you able to see my screen, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, Jasmine, your doubt is clear? Yesterday doubt?
No, sir. Currently, I'm checking. It's still the same. All the total visitors are getting value 66,535. I
Okay.
changed the relationship also from one to many with fact tables.
But yesterday you said that it's clear.
Yes, sir. I thought I checked the relationship and it was in your video like one to many, and I thought it's done. So that's why I said it.
Okay, okay. Let just give me 1 second. You send me on WhatsApp, no?
Yes, sir.
Let me just open your file. Because in my file everything is going good. See,
Yes, sir.
in my file, date to date, this one is origin to origin, and customer ID, destination, and this one is message.
Visitor, dim visitor or fact reservation table, the relationship should be one to many.
Every table will be one to many. See, every relationship one to
No,
many.
from fact, like
Fact
in fact
hotel
total
to
reservation.
hotel
Yes,
to visitor.
yes,
This one customer ID to
ah,
customer ID.
yes, yes.
So
It's one.
let me just open your. You send me this your file. So accept this and no doubt.
No,
Shablish, you have any doubt?
No, sir.
I think it's done, sir. It was not allowing me to maintain that relationship, but it's
Okay,
done
okay.
now. One to many. Then it's
Yeah,
yes.
let me check.
In relationship there was problem with table fact and dim visitor. There is many to one. It should be one to many.
Your this relationship is wrong. See, this relationship is inactive because your date to relationship is done with bank here. So you don't need to do this date to booking date because date table is connected with the date table only. And see the total line is shows that it is an inactive relationship. When your date is from date of booking,
Okay.
or it is also inactive. The date format should be same for all those. See, date to date of booking is a great relationship. And the last one. Origin to origin country. Customer to customer. To destination. Keys. Okay. Nee, see, listen. Count is you have to set with fact table, not with a dim table. Because in dim table you have a unique number of items. Okay. So count you have to select with a fact table. Fact customer item. See, now it's done. Because you have to calculate every measure from the now your main file. And if you want a unique measure, then you calculate only from a dim table. Okay. See, now it's done automatic. Because your relationship is good, that is the reason for this. Okay, your count this measure is wrong.
Okay.
Okay, now it's done. Yeah, now it's done.
And for total visitor and unique visitor, we also have to do from fact table only.
Yeah, no, unique. See, under this dim visitor, you have a same number of customer ID, and under this hotel, same number of customer. So that is the reason that visitor under the dim time or dim table also has a 635 when you check. See, dim visitor. Then also Sushi 66,535, and when you check on fact total, there is also a 66535. There is the same number of items. So either we need to split or not split, it is okay. Okay, but you have to connect it, every measure for a fact table column. Okay, so now it's done, and okay, so we move to today one. This I close your file. Okay. Yeah, so from till here, you have any doubt right now? Clear all the things?
Yes.
Okay, so now we move to our next thing. Just a minute. I see someone has message. So our next thing is to like see in our data. Okay, in our data we have a total number of gender. When you see on the visitor, the gender. Okay, so in the date in the data column we have a gender, male and female. So we need a count of female and male in the separate chart or separate column. Okay, so how to do? There is a just separate. We need a count of separate thing. Okay, so for separate thing you have to just go to your measure table and just click on this, add a new measure. See, every time when I do the measure, you have to do just a common thing. Measure means you have to calculate a function or calculate something like female. So female in the dim visitor table. Okay. So calculate means the total customer we have already measured. So out of total customer, we need only just a female. Okay. So now first we go to the here we have a function, right? Female customer. So for female customer, you have a calculate. Calculate means we have to calculate. What we calculate? The count rows or count rows, whatever you filter is count rows. Okay. So right now we need a count rows and count rows is from table. Table name is right now we need a visitor table. Either we need a visitor because right now we have a gender in visitor table. So we go to dim visitor and close. Now when you click comma, there is a filter. So what is my filter? We have to use a filter function with a table. Table name is same dim visitor, and from dim visitor we have to select which column, gender column only. So dim visitor, gender column, and what we need into gender column, you just click on female. You can write on female and click enter. See female customer, and when you do in card chart, see female, and when you go to in the formatting tab, data level and display unit, you can do as a none. It means you have a total number of female is 33,387. So let me just drop down. See, so how to analyze or how to read this function? See, calculate. We have to calculate a female customer. Calculate count rows. See, till here, we have a total number of customer. Okay, till here, we have a total number of customer. When you do the total customer from function, see total customer or total visitor. When you check the total visitor, see the function is right now in my file also it's a dim. Okay, that is the reason maybe you checked with this. This dim count, dim origin, total unique is a dim visitor and total visitor is a count. Okay, so that is the reason that in my file is okay. Okay, see in this my file when I calculate one measure for you, like first we need a total customer. So for total customer, what we do? For total visitor, you have to use a count function and give the just column name, which is fact and your customer ID. Just one. See, from this function only, just to calculate a total customer, but you have to filter. Filter means you just click on this, okay, comma, and you just click on comma. When you click on comma, it says that you have to wrong value. But see, when you do here as a calculate, means there's an expression. Expression is you calculate the total customer. You calculate the total customer and give the as a filter. Filter you can give. You have to filter it out from the table name is the same table, or you can do with a dim visitor table. Whatever you do like dim visitor table. Okay, and now you have a filter expression like which in the table of visitor in which column you have to filter. So I need filter into gender column, and what we need into gender, you just click on just the female and click enter. Now see the total visitor when you click on this on card, value will be the same. See what we do, just do the same thing with a different form, different function. Just go to started or not. See, we did a same thing with a different formula. Like first we have to use a female means calculate. You calculate is a very main function to every such condition function. Okay. And there is a one more thing, one more formula. New measure, either using of count rows or either using of this kind of function, you can just use a female customer. Okay. So female customer, you have to use a calculate, not using a count row or that kind of function. You have already calculated total measure, total visitor. So you just write it as total visitor and click enter and give the table name as name visitor and the table column as a gender and click on this and you have to write it as female customer. Okay. Now visitor one. See, for three function, we have a same answer. So that is the reason to using a text. That is the reason to using a measure also in your calculate. And calculate function is the common function for every function. Calculate and filter function is a common, whether you're using a count, count row, distinct count, or normal count rows. Now understood? Any doubt in this function? Anyone? Okay, so now we move to our next one. Next one is like you have a female customer. Right now, I need a male customer. So you just click on new measure, which any function you can copy and just paste. And instead of female, you can just write a male. Instead of female, just write a male. And here also you can write it as male function. Click just enter. See, the answer will be the different. Female is a 33,387 and 33,148. You can just drag and drop. Just point it out as the common denominator. So now we have a female customer. Now we have a male customer in the form of number. In the same way, you can calculate whatever your condition is ready, like in the fact table or suppose in the origin table. Right now you have a origin country. Okay, so you have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 origin country. So if you want to calculate a different country wise, like you have a different origin country wise calculation you have, then you calculate a different country wise in just the same thing. Like Malaysia, you have a spelling of MALAYSIA. Just a minute guys. Yeah, so now we move to next function. key measure. Now we have to calculate a some specific origin country wise count. And count it as Malaysia. Malaysia country wise count. See, so right now we're using the same important function is a calculate function. See, right now we need a total visitor. Okay, total visitor, and we are going to filter it out from them country, them origin country, and instead of origin country, I use a origin country table column, and for this origin country, we need a Malaysia and calculate total visitor. See, just you have to just drag and drop into two types. Like first is you have to calculate total visitor, and second one is filter from the table name and the column name. Table name is a full table name like the origin country, and column name you have to enter the in which column you have to filter it out and what is the filter it out, the criteria. So right now I need a Malaysia wise. I just click on enter and see the answer is with 12K and format it out. Malaysia, you can just click on. See, total Malaysia customer we have, total Malaysia customer visitor we have 12,049. But see, out of total Malaysia, out of this Malaysia, we have a total how many of female? Okay, so how many of female? Then you have to use a new function. See, you have to just analyze your thinking and do the same calculation. Function is not uh, that much time. See, right now we don't need a total. Right now we need a female visitor. Okay, so you can click on female visitor only, and other things are will be same. Okay, just have that. Let me click on the female visitor. Okay, see 6063 is a female, and go to this. Now we have a 6063, and when you check as a male, I will count same with the count name. Just click on this. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Instead of female, you can count it as male. Male visitor. And other thing will be the same. Female, you can write it as male. Other thing will be just the same. Malaysia country male count. Just click on table 5986. Okay, 5986. Go to this. And now you have to just command eliminator. See, now it's okay. See, you have added a 5986 and 6063 is equal to 120409. So we have a total of Malaysia count. Okay, so why we need this kind of why we need this function? Because see, in the first page, suppose in the first page you have a total number of summary, but in the second page you have a origin wise, you have a third page, you have a different origin, then you have to calculate this kind of function. Because when you separate, when you make separate of one sheet, like in the page one you have to calculate total, everything is a total, but suppose in the page two you have to calculate some like specific country wise. So you have done with the Malaysia and Malaysia only. In the second page, you have to calculate with the New Zealand. Right now, see in our database, this one, we have a total and total, but we have a highest number of value is a New Zealand. So if I want to add one more slide into New Zealand, then I need to specify with the New Zealand. Okay, I need to specify with New Zealand with a different kind of function, like total New Zealand customer only, total average customer of the New Zealand. Okay, we need to discuss for the just a New Zealand purpose only. So that is the reason to using that kind of DAX. Now it's clear for you. Tell me, any doubt till now? And just me?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, one thing that
Yeah, tell me.
here we have taken Malaysia country, origin country. So
Mhm.
in the generally in country origin country, if we don't want any particular value like Malaysia or something, so how to write the conditions, sir?
Sorry,
For example, yeah,
like
in the
in
origin
the,
country.
let me just check. Okay. So in origin country, if you go to, if I go to the table, in origin country, you say that you don't write any of the origin.
Now we have taken Malaysia, sir,
Hmm.
from all the countries. So I
Mhm.
don't want Malaysia. I need to
Hmm.
display except Malaysia.
Okay, so all except now. So you can download with some, you can just filter it out with except Malaysia. There is a one more function. Uh, Let me just go to with this. Just a minute. See, there is a function Malaysia country wise. Okay, so you said that you don't need a Malaysia here. You said all the countries. Like, so
Yes,
you have
yes,
to just write it the name of all the country except Malaysia. Just simple. You can just comma. See this one like this. You have to just put this function. Yeah, this function. Okay, this function is a OR function. This two line.
so that will exclude this Malaysia information, right,
No,
sir?
no, not exclude. You can see. I will tell you. For Malaysia, suppose in the origin, let me just go to first I click on the center. Total we have origin country we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay. So right now I just click on Indonesia, copy and write this. Copy this one also and paste it. See, right now we are using a two function, means Malaysia and Indonesia. We need a count of Malaysia as well as Indonesia. So if you don't need Malaysia, you can just exclude the Malaysia name from here and write the different country, different origin name here. This one is the main function to origin, double line item, double line. Okay, so you just click on enter. It means when you count the total of the customer, now you have to use, see this customer, Indonesia. I think the spelling will be wrong. That is the reason. Indonesia. Spelling. Calculate inversion. See, I think the OR function will not be written. Some of the error due to. Let me just check. Indonesia. IND. Singapore, Cambodia, Thailand, Vietnam. Function is the same. I don't know why it is not calculated. Origin country. Calculate total customer. And right now we need visit is equal to again we have to use a filter. Okay, what name country in origin country is equal to, and right now you can write as, see, every time you have to filter it out for one country and second country, and then you can enter many country. If you don't need Malaysia, you can just accept Malaysia. Okay, the same function will be written. Just copy and paste of this line. Click on the enter. Go to the countries. Click on this. Go to the countries. Why it is showing public? Dim origin country filter. Formula is the same. I think some other issue with this. Why, let me just check, because formula is the same. Maybe the something other relationship is not. Maybe
Okay,
some
sir.
dot. Maybe some dot is missing here.
Yeah. Okay, sir. I can try from my end, sir.
Because formula is one of the correct function. I don't see Malaysia. When you click on Malaysia, see, everything is a correct one. I click on this format and do the same formatting of this function. See, the everything will be same, but only the reason is you can just click on this country and save with another. So instead of Malaysia, now you click as a Indonesia. Sometimes you write a correct function, but it will showing as an error because every function is a that. See, right now it is correct. Format and function. See, 11986 is a match with this. Okay, so this one is Indonesia and this one is Malaysia. So
Malaysia.
this kind of, yeah, so this kind of different you can count like different function, like you can just include all this column directly and click on just enter, so that your function will be ready. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
so you can count
Thank
as
you, sir.
situation. That's it. So guys, meeting will be over in just 1 minute, so you can join again so that we can discuss more of the functions of it. Okay, just
Okay,
join
sir.
after 1 minute. Let me just stop share my screen and stop the recording of this.